This documentary is not a family meeting. It's not a group chat discussion. And definitely not a barangay hearing. This is for one purpose only, self-healing. Not content, not entertainment, not chismis. This is my way of making sense of things I was never allowed to ask. My way of putting language into confusion. My way of finally understanding. This is therapy. Just not inside a clinic, that this is me doing the work. Out loud. Ngayon, kung ikaw ay kamag-anak ko at nakita mo ang sarili mo dito, una sa lahat, hello. Pangalawa, pasensya ka na kung nadamay ka. Hindi ko naman pinili kung sino ang pamilya ko, na taon lang, kadugo kita, collateral damage ka lang sa healing process ko. Just to be clear, hindi ito para sa inyo. Hindi ito para linisin ang pangalan nyo. Hindi rin ito para sirain kayo. This is me trying to understand my life. So yes, may mga alias kayo. Not for mystery, not for drama, but for peace. And para wala tayong reunion na may confrontation scene. Also, this is my truth. Hindi ito court decision. Hindi ito absolute truth. This is one perspective from one child who grew up inside this system. Ngayon, kung may sarili kayong version, by all means, gumawa din kayo ng documentary nyo. I'll even watch, promise, with popcorn. Walang basagan ng trip. This is not revenge. This is reflection. Hindi ito paninira, ito ay pag-unawa. Because sometimes, healing looks like this. Telling the story, even if it makes people uncomfortable. And if this makes you uncomfortable, imagine living it without understanding it.